Hi friends! Welcome to the world where every dream is possible, where every challenge is an opportunity, and where you are the author of your own fabulous story. I'm here to tell you something that's going to change your life today. We're diving into something bigger than just fashion. We're talking about your signature style, that unique spark that makes you unforgettable, unstoppable, and absolutely you. Now, let's be real for a second. The world is full of trends, rules, and standards that want to box you in, tell you who you should be, what you should wear, how you should act. But guess what? None of that matters. Because what truly matters, what really sets you apart, is what you choose to wear, how you choose to walk through this world, and how you decide to embrace your inner power. This is your time, your stage, your moment. And darling, there's no one else like you. So, how do you build a signature style that reflects who you truly are? Let's break it down, step by step, like we're putting together the ultimate Barbie dream wardrobe. First, let's talk about confidence. Confidence isn't something you get one day. It's something you build, something you nurture, piece by piece, day after day. You know what? Confidence is your best accessory. It doesn't matter if you're rocking a classic pink dress or a bold metallic suit. What truly makes you stand out is the power you radiate from within. When you walk into a room, own it. Make people pause, take a breath, because they're witnessing someone who knows exactly who they are. And that person is you. But here's the trick. You don't need to wait for someone's approval to step into your power. You don't need to get validation from the outside world. You are enough, just as you are. Trust me. You already have everything you need to be a powerhouse, and I'm here to help you discover it. Now, let's talk about creating your signature style. It starts with understanding who you are. Ask yourself, what makes my heart skip a beat? What colors make me feel like I could conquer the world? What materials, cuts, and designs speak to my soul? This is your style journey. It's about tuning into your inner self and saying, this is me. Not what the magazines say. Not what influencers are wearing. You. Remember, style isn't about copying someone else's look. It's about owning yours. I want you to look in the mirror and see not just your reflection, but the incredible woman who's going to take the world by storm. Whether you're in a sleek black jumpsuit or a bohemian floral maxi, when it's your signature look, you make it your own. You add your touch. You breathe your energy into it. Next, let's talk about the colors that define you. I'm a Barbie, and we all know I'm the queen of pink, but that's just my signature. What's yours? Maybe it's the power of red, the calm of blue, or the grounded earth tones that speak to your soul. Colors have energy, and when you choose the ones that reflect your inner spirit, you're aligning yourself with that energy every single day. So, go ahead, surround yourself with the hues that make your heart dance and your spirit soar. But don't just stop at colors, let's talk about fabric and texture. What textures make you feel powerful? Velvet, silk, leather, lace? Every material carries its own vibe. You have the chance to decide how you want the world to feel when they see you. Soft and elegant, fierce and bold, graceful and free. You get to set the tone. And it's through these choices that your style starts to speak louder than words. And darling, remember accessories. They're not just the finishing touch, they're the statement. A signature necklace, an eye-catching bag, or shoes that make a statement can completely transform your outfit. They're like the final brushstrokes on a masterpiece, adding depth, dimension, and flair. And here's a little secret. Accessories say more than you think. They reflect your personality, your taste, your attitude. You're not just adding something to your outfit, you're making it yours. And when it's yours, it's unforgettable. But wait, there's more. Your style is not just about what you wear, it's about how you carry yourself. Your posture, your grace, your attitude. The way you walk into a room with your head held high, shoulders back, and a smile that lights up the world. You're not just wearing clothes. You're wearing confidence, strength, and grace. Your aura is the secret ingredient that brings your style to life. When you step into your power, people can't help but notice. And listen, it's okay if you don't have it all figured out right now. Style is an evolution. You'll have moments where you feel like you're not quite there, and that's perfectly fine. But trust me, with every outfit, every choice, every bold move, you're building that signature style of yours, one piece at a time. Don't rush the process. You're not on anyone else's timeline. This is your runway. Now, I want you to think about your role models. Who do you look up to? Who inspires you? Maybe it's someone from history, someone in your life, or a powerful character who's been through it all and come out on top. Take a little piece of their essence, their strength, their confidence, and infuse it into your style. But never forget this: you are the one who gets to define your own greatness. Inspiration is amazing, but the true magic lies in blending what you admire with your own unique identity. And speaking of magic, remember this: the world is your runway. Life is not a dress rehearsal. Every day, you get to show up as the best version of yourself. When you wear your style with pride, the world will take notice. And guess what? You'll inspire others to do the same. Because that's what powerful women do. They lift each other up. Now, let's talk about embracing your imperfections. In a world that's obsessed with perfection, we've forgotten that flaws are beautiful. You know what I'm talking about: the little quirks, the things that make us unique. They're not imperfections. They're what set us apart. And when you embrace them, when you own them, that's when your true style emerges. When you stop hiding and start being fully you, that's when the magic happens. Remember this: confidence doesn't come from fitting into someone else's mold. It comes from breaking free from that mold, creating your own, and wearing it with pride. Your style is your personal revolution. It's you telling the world, this is who I am, and this is how I'm going to show up today. And when you do that, when you fully embrace yourself, there's no stopping you. Every time you stand in front of your closet, make a conscious choice. What do I want to wear today? What do I want to project to the world? And then own it. Because when you wear your signature style, you're not just wearing clothes, you're wearing your vision for the life you want to create. You're wearing your dreams. You're wearing your ambitions. And you're wearing your power. So, friends, take a look at yourself in the mirror right now. What do you see? Do you see the incredible woman who's about to go out there and make her mark on this world? I hope you do. And if not, I want you to know that woman is inside you. She's always been there. She's just waiting for you to step into your greatness. Don't wait for the world to define you. You define yourself every single day, with every choice, with every outfit, with every step you take. You're telling the world exactly who you are. And when you live like that, when you live with purpose, with passion, and with authenticity, nothing can stand in your way. Barbie's Guide to Creating a Signature Style isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good, being good, and owning your space in this. It's about creating a style that reflects the amazing, unstoppable woman you are. So go out there, be bold, be daring, and be you. The world is waiting for you to show them what true style looks like. And trust me, when you do, you'll leave them speechless. You've got this, and the world is ready for you. Now go out there and make it happen. With all my love and confidence, Barbie.